ner till Skåne. Varsågod.
Good eftermiddag. It is fika time. We take this very seriously. After lunch, you need to take a break. We need a break from the break. Coffee. We need sugar. We need caffeine. So yeah, we're gonna make some fika drinks today with Absolut Vanilia. We're gonna make a Vanilia Espresso Martini and apple pie drink. Stay tuned, because I'm also gonna make Elyse eat a full vacuum cleaner. It's gonna be a spectacle. I'm AJ, and this is Absolut Drinks with AJ. Core rules when you think of a Swedish fika is the 3 C's. You always need coffee. You need cookies or cake. Something sugary, always good company. You cannot fika alone. So let's get into it. You've probably seen us make an espresso martini before, but this time we're gonna make it with the Absolut Vanilia. Action! So what you're gonna need is a jigger, some ice, shaker, a strainer, the star of the show. We're gonna add some Kahlua into it, some fresh espresso. I'm also gonna add some real vanilla. We're gonna start with the cheapest ingredients first. We have some fresh espresso, 25 ml. 25 ml of the Kahlua from Mexico, made from pure Arabica beans. Of course, the star of the show, we're gonna add 40 ml of that. And we're gonna add some fresh, why can I say fresh? Fresh vanilla. We're gonna just cut this open, the fresh vanilla. Fresh vanilla. Just open up the pod, scraping out expensive goo in here. Gonna just add that in. If you make it at home, you don't need the actual vanilla pod. We have plenty of flavor in the Absolut, but we did it because we could. Ice it up. And we're gonna shake it. So you wanna shake it until you get this nice frosty outside. And when you shake it hard enough, that will give you that really foamy texture that we're looking for in the martini, so that we can garnish it with some coffee beans. So here you see the foam is starting to layering up. And we're gonna garnish it with the thing that Rico hates the most in the entire world, 3 whole coffee beans. The story is that you go 1 for you, 1 for me, and 1 for our future together. There's so much vanilla flavor in there, and it makes me think of apple pies. Let's jump straight into the apple pie drink. For the apple pie drink, we will need some cinnamon-infused simple syrup, freshly squeezed apple juice, Absolut Vanilia, a jigger, some ice, and some cinnamon powder. We're gonna build this drink straight in the glass. So start up just icing it up. We're gonna go in with the Absolut Vanilia, 45 ml. 10 ml of the cinnamon-infused sugar syrup. And then we're just gonna top it up with the apple juice. To garnish it, I'm gonna use an apple, just a little slice. That was a very tiny slice. There we go. And I'm just gonna dip one side in some cinnamon so we get a nice little coated apple slice. Put it on top, and there you go, the apple pie cocktail. Amazing. So now I'm just missing the last and final C, great company. Elyse! Hey! I'm gonna introduce you to the Swedish fika. We're gonna start with, I have a coffee here. The cake. Welcome to Sweden.
Uh-oh. That is good
That is the reaction I want.
Congratulations!
Somebody knows how to do fika.
This is comfy.
Welcome to Sweden.
I just remembered, I promised you guys that Elyse will eat a vacuum.
I'm so yellow.
Dust sucker.
That was my nickname in high school. I'm going.
Yeah, go for it, go for it.
Wow. Fika is my favorite time of the day, for sure.
Yes. If you like Swedish fika, we're gonna try it at home. Make these drinks, hashtag Absolut Drinks, and you might get featured on absolutdrinks.com. And make sure to hit the subscribe, leave a comment, what's your favorite fika? Cheers.
Happy Fika.
I'm gonna give some to the team. Synos länge ju.
Unna dig!
Unna dig!
Unna dig!
Unna dig!
Okej.